using a VS Code Jupyter Notebook. Remember just now I said B. Yeah. First one, for example, here I highlight, first choose this, now it becomes blue in color. Of course, you have to click here, you choose this cell, press B. Press B. Okay, B. Just please press B. Below, it creates a cell below. Okay, for example, I choose this cell on top again. Press A, it creates a cell above. If I want to delete this, press DD. Quickly, DD 2 times. DD, deleted. Yeah, so these are all shortcuts. You can press X, just one time X, not Shift X, just X. I cut the explanation. Now I press V to trace back. Yeah, there you go. Came back. Okay, M to convert cell to Markdown, then Y to Markdown to cell, Markdown to code. Yeah. Of course, S shift, Shift Enter to run, S to shift, S to save, save. Control S. You just Control S. For example, here it's not saved. When you see this, but this like there is number here, which means 2 files not saved. So every single time you do, you better save your work. Control S to save. Control S to save. For example, okay, these 2 files are not saved actually. That's why it's showing 2. For example, here I put Control S. It's saved already. This one not yet to save. Control S, save already. It's asking where to save. Maybe I save in the download. Okay, save. Save already. So the button disappears. So okay. Now we want to learn a little bit on Markdown. Go here. Yeah, go here, Markdown cells. Now click. Okay, we want to learn a little bit on formatting. Yeah, how to write. How to write italic. That's one star. You write italic. For example, you keep on writing. For example, star, your name, star. I love coding. I love coding. So this one star, open and close star. You see, when I close, automatically it becomes italic, right? Whereas if I want to bold it, then I press double star, front and behind. Of course, I shift enter, I get to see the version. See, I love coding. So how to strike through? This is how you strike through. You write that tilde. For example, you want to write, you want to strike something, say slow. I want to strike this out. So tilde. Okay, that's how you strike out. Here, see, there are different ways, right? So, for example, you want to like highlight like that. You want to create a URL, right? Collab, right? Just now you want to create a URL. Just this is how you create actually. You can just like copy the whole thing. Maybe like go right below. You want to create your own. For example, collab, right? Collab. Just now was HTTP. I don't know, like. Let me get the. Okay. HTTP something. So maybe like just collab or something. Okay. For example. Okay. You want to create a link. So collab, you see, shift enter. Okay, so this is the link. And when you click the link, it will go to your collab, Google Colab. Okay, you go back. All right, so this is how you can play around a little bit, how to format your Markdown cell. You want to write something. When you write like a project, you want to wrote a code and you want to give to your friend, you want to explain a little bit, you use a Markdown cell to do that. Okay, of course you can write header. Header is like hashtag. One hash, the biggest. Second hash, slightly smaller. Third hash, even smaller. It can go like even smaller and smaller. For example, put more. Another hash. Oops. another hash 4. Okay, see, it goes smaller and smaller. You do just now you saw this a block code. You just put like this here, this greater than sign. It becomes a block of code. Okay, you can write items. Items is very easy. Yeah, either you write a star like that and keep on going. Yeah, for example, you want to add another item, or put a star item. Okay, right. So if you want like ordered, you can use like that. Okay, you can also do okay below. I can create. You can also do this a just hyphen. Okay, oops, sorry. This is not a cell. Rather, I want to write a markdown, isn't it? Okay, double click on it. Well, sometimes it's like it gets shrink. Like double click on it. Okay, this is a markdown, so I change to M. Highlight M markdown. Okay, you see markdown. You can also use a hyphen to create itemized version, or you can use a star also. Or if you want ordered, you just use 1 dot 2 dot 3 dot. Well, keep on writing 4 dot item 4 and so on. To create a table, this is the you got to use this horizontal. We call it pipes, I think. This thing called pipe, I think. Horizontal lines, and then vertical lines are. Oh, sorry, this is vertical line. These are the horizontal line. As a divider, vertical line as to create columns. Okay, there you go. You got a nice table. Okay, so this is all just to format your document in Jupyter Lab, right? You can even write nice equations. Yep. So this equation is written in latex. I don't expect you to know, but if you are curious, then go and click this table, this line, and then look at how it's written. Right. Oh, it's easy. We write. I mean, for writing research work, we use latex actually. Yeah. If, for example, the sign, the dollar sign, is actually a latex space. So in between you can write. For example, I want to write alpha. I put a ALPHA. Oops. ALPHA alpha. Then I want to write beta, BETA. You see, it becomes alpha beta nicely, right? That is latex. Okay, that is latex. Instead of using Microsoft equation, you can write a latex beautifully. As I said, research papers we usually write in latex. So latex is very much built in this Jupyter notebook. You can write equation nice. This looks very nice, right? So you can do that also. But of course, I don't expect you to do this beautifully. If you want to learn more what is what, you just have to go here, click, and then learn a little. Or just go to Google and Google at latex, and it will write nicely for you. Read a bit.